today's class, we are going to be talking about multiplication. In multiplication, we use the many zoo, many animals. That is, multiply, 0, multiply, and we add. Now let's see the example 1. It says 48 multiplied by 12. The first we are going to do, we are going to write out our 48 and our 12. The next thing we are going to do also now is to write our many zoo, many animals. Many zoo, many animals. Okay, so let's start with this. We want to start with our many, and our many says we should do multiplication. So we have 48 multiply, the first number 12 is 2, so we're going to start with 2, multiply by 2. 2 times 8 is 16, 2 times 4 is 8, plus 1 is 9. The next one also says we're also going to do our multiply. 1 times 8 is 8, 1 times 4 is 4. Good. Now we're going to involve our many animals. The first term says multiply, which is this first one. We're going to write it out. The next one says Z, and that stands for 0. We are going to put our 0. The next one says we should also multiply, which we have done, which is this second one. So we're going to write our 8 and a 4. Finally, the last one says we should add. So I'm going to do my addition. 6 plus 0. 6 plus 0 is equals to 6. 9 plus 8 is equals to 17. And 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. So that's the answer. So it means, what it means is that 48 times 12 will give me 576. If you have any question, if you are confused in any way, just drop it on my comments and I'm going to answer you. Remember to like, remember to subscribe, remember to follow, and also to share. You never can tell who you are actually assisting. Thank you.